We're going to make a butterfly this time out of just this white piece of paper. And a butterfly is exactly the same on the right half as on the left half, and we call that symmetry when something is the same. To make the butterfly, we're just going to make a bee on here, which is kind of a nice way to do it. Except it's not exactly like a bee. There, I made it kind of like that. And even if you make a regular bee, except we're going to just turn it upside down, that's going to be a butterfly. So I'm going to cut it in half, and both halves will be exactly the same. And if I was doing this at school, I would use tempera paint, and I would just have the kids dab paint on here and squish it. So when we opened it, we saw that it was exactly the same on both sides. Not sure if you guys have tempera paint. So if you want to use your water paints, you can. But if you don't, you can just color it too. And you can just make designs. Whatever you do on this side, you make a little green dot over here, make a green dot over here. It won't be perfect symmetry like the paint would be, but I think you kind of get the idea. If you want to make, let's do it with a different color. I can't see that very well. If you want to make kind of an edge around it, I think maybe that we can, color the outside one color. Anyway, whatever design the kids decide on. And then the other part I wanted to show you is this stick. I'm just going to put that on the back here. I'm just going to use some tape. And you might need to tape yours better than I tape mine. Might have a little rougher handling. But if you have that and you just kind of do that, then you can fly your butterfly. So a little bit of symmetry, little craft project.